Welcome to The Explainer. All right, today we are pulling back the curtain on one of the most misunderstood and honestly most intimidating parts of the ACT, the science section. You know that feeling, right, staring at some crazy graph, your heart is pounding, and you just feel like you're being tricked? Well, if that sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place.
I want you to just let that sink in for a second. No, seriously, this one single idea, which is really the heart of our source material, it changes everything about how you should look at this test. It's not a test of what you know about science. It's a test of how you handle pressure.
So how do we do that? How do we beat them at their own game? Well, we start by breaking down the test's design. And then we're going to give you a clear, really powerful strategy to turn this whole challenge into your biggest advantage. It's time to stop playing their game and start playing your own.
Okay, let's dive right in. To beat this thing, you first have to understand the trap. And it's a trap that almost every single student falls into.
And this is the core of the trap right here. The test looks like a science test. It makes you think you need to remember all these complex formulas from biology or chemistry class. But here's the secret. You don't. It's basically an open book test. It's designed to see just one thing. Are you going to crack when that clock starts ticking down? So how does it do it? How does it manufacture all this pressure and set you up to make those simple mistakes? Well, trust me, it's not random. It is a very, very specific, calculated design. Our source identifies these three specific traps. First, that insane time limit. It's designed to push you to skim and just blow right past crucial details. Second, all that panic makes you want to go with your gut, to guess, instead of actually finding the proof in the data. And third, the passages are loaded, with extra, totally useless information that's only there to distract you and eat up your time. Okay, so you know the traps. Now for the good part, how to avoid them. And the secret? It's not about being smarter or faster. It's about adopting a completely different mindset, the mindset of someone who gets a top score. This slide really shows the whole battle right here. It's about reacting versus strategizing. Low scores, they just react to the pressure. They trust their gut, they try to read and absorb everything, and they get tricked by answers that look close enough. But high scores, they are strategic. They demand proof for their answers. They're like surgeons targeting only the exact data they need, and they have the discipline to just ignore all the other noise. And that brings us to this really powerful shift in thinking. Now, this doesn't mean you have to move through the test at a snail's pace. Not at all. It means being deliberate. It means being methodical. Instead of that panicked, frantic thinking, you adopt a calm, focused, precise approach. And here's the thing. That clarity is actually what creates speed, not the other way around. So let's turn this mindset into an actual game plan. This isn't just some theory, okay? This is a playbook you can take with you and use on test day. This image just nails it, doesn't it? This is your new role. You're no longer just a student taking a test. You are a data strategist. Your entire job is to analyze the information in front of you and make a precise, evidence-based decision. That's it. And here it is, your simple, repeatable three-step playbook. First, you read the question and you pinpoint exactly where the answer is going to be. Which chart, which column. Second, you consciously ignore all the other text and data that's just there to distract you. And third, and this is the most important part, you find the concrete proof, the number, the sentence that makes your answer undeniably 100% correct. No guessing allowed. So when you put all of this together, you understand the trap, you've got the high score mindset, and you're using the playbook, you're not just learning a new strategy, you are fundamentally changing your relationship with the test itself. And this is the ultimate takeaway. You stop being a victim of the test design and you become the one in control. Your greatest asset isn't how fast you can read, it's your ability to stay calm and think clearly. That is the skill the test is truly rewarding. So, the curtain has been pulled back. You see the game for what it is, and now you have the playbook to win it. You are in control. The only question left is, how are you going to use that knowledge?